Hi everyone, I'm Obses, and you are watching my masterclass with Soundteams. In this masterclass, I'm going to take you through a complete sound design session. I'll show you how I made my organic drum breaks, my hybrid drum breaks, and my digital drums. We also look at how I create my 808, my stab basses, and my Reese basses, and finally my synth. When you hit a real snare, you have the first section of the snare, and when you hit, you have the transient of the snare, and the body is the second part of the snare, here, with the resonances of the first hit. To wrap things up, I'll give you a full breakdown of my track, comparing myself out on NÖU. It's always about making the things a little bit more organic. It's my mindset for basically everything I design. For the people don't know me, I'm a French electronic music producer, and I've released several EP and track on labels like NÖU and Modus, as well as collaboration with Pace on NÜ. I've also played in various clubs across Europe, including Paris, Toulouse, Vienna, and Budapest, and with many more to come, of course. And yeah, enjoy this masterclass.